Hi guys, welcome to Hardest Info channel. Today I have FREEYOND M6 and I want to show you how manage your Google passwords on this device. To do it, open Google Chrome application and tap on the three dots on the right corner. There we scroll down and choose Settings, Password Manager, and there we can manage our passwords which are smart to remember. To do it, we must choose Password and enter our look screen to get connected to that, and there we can copy our email, copy our passwords, or after we press this ice icon our smartphone show us password which remember. You can also edit all by tap on edit, and you can write something in username, passwords, and you can add no. After you add all you need, we press save to save it, but to delete password which our smartphone remember we press on delete and confirm by delete again. And that's all. See you soon, bye.